Straighten your spine, relax your shoulders, hands on knees lightly placed. Gently close your eyes. We will begin with 3 rounds of Omkara. Deeply take a deep breath in. शांति मंत्र ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति शांति शांति। योग गणपति मूल मंत्र ओम हम संगम भगवते नित्ययोगयुक्ताय सच्चिदानंदरूपिणे विनायकाय नमः। श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति प्रार्थना। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना। नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे। Samrasya prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om Sangachatvam Sampadadvam Sambho Manansi Janatam Deva Bhagai Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samiti Samani Samanam Manasah Chittamesham Samanam Mantramabhimantrayevaha Samanena Voha Vishajumi Samaniva Akutihi Samanarvidayanivaha Samanamastu Omanaha Yatavastu Sahasati। पंचांगम अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं हेमंत ऋतुः माघमासः शुक्लपक्षः तृतीया तिथिः घनिष्ठा नक्षत्रम व्यतिपातयोगः तैतुलकर्णं सौम्यवासरः। Today's date 21st of January 2026 Wednesday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनम् नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणम् करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्। सर्वेषां श्रीमस्तु।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सुप्रभातम, सुस्वागतम। So let us continue with the 40th shloka. We stopped yesterday, 39th. Kulakshaye pranashyanti Kuladharma Sanatana. Kulakshaye Pranashyanti Kuladharma Sanatana. Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam. Adharmo bhi bhavatyuta. Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmo bhi bhavatyuta. Now let us chant together. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatana. Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam dharmo bhibhavatyuta. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatana. Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam dharmo bhibhavatyuta. Now let us contemplate this shloka. Jayati Parashara Sunuhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasaha Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vangmayam Amritam Jagat Pivati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddha Vidyaya Madhvaya Chanamo Namaha Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayuncha Madhvamacharyam Acharyatrayamashraye. Respected Guruji, dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. So now we are seeing the convincing nature of Arjuna, how he is trying to convince Krishna that we should not fight. Together we have to cancel the Yuddha and all of them, they should go to their home and sleep off. That's it. Why that is necessary now? That is being perfectly understood by Arjuna. He thinks that, yes, he is thinking that it is the right time for everyone to stop the battle because they are not realizing the reality here. That is where Arjuna is trying to convince. In the previous shloka, what was told is, Katham na gneyam asmabhihi. Why is it that we are not understanding it? Though we know it, what are the consequences of the Yuddha? Katham na gneyam asmabhihi. And we know that we are going to completely accumulate Papa only. Papa dasman nivartitum. And Kulakshaya kritam dosham. Kulakshaya is going to happen. Kulakshaya means the whole generation will be wiped out. Then who will be the cause for this? We are going to be remembered in the society in future that these are the people responsible for Kulakshaya. Do we need this? Prapashyadbir Janardana. Oh Janardana, we are seeing this. We know that it is going to happen like this. But still, why is it that we are not realizing and acting on that? Though we know it, the sequence, then he is going to give the reasons here. Let us see the word split here. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharmaha sanatanaha dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmaha abhibhavatyuta. He says here, when Kulakshaya happens, what is going to be the result of this? Kulakshaye pranashyanti prakarshena nashyanti. Prakarshena nashyanti means nitaram. Everything, not even a single residue will be there of the present generation. The great good people, elderly people, they will all get wiped out. Then what happens? Kuladharmaha sanatanaha. So what is going to become Nasha? Kuladharma is going to become Nasha. And sanatanaha, which has been being followed from very early, from so many ages, and that is going to get. What do you mean by Kula Dharma here? That is the point for discussion here. What is Kula Dharma? Kula Dharma means, we say, no, in Kannada we say Kula Kasabu anta. Andre, what is our Kula Dharma? Kula Dharma means profession. Is it that profession being followed in the family as a profession? Is being addressed by Arjuna here? No. Dharma in 3 stages we need to understand here. ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಮಜಲುಗಳಿವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗತ ಧರ್ಮ, next one is ಸಮಾಜ ಧರ್ಮ, third one is ಸನಾತನ ಧರ್ಮ. We need to understand dharma in 3 stages here. Vyakti dharma means it is your own self. What is Vyakti dharma? Individualized. And second one is Samaja dharma. Samaja dharma is the one which is going to change every now and then. Maybe 100 years it may take. 100 years before what Samaja was there, that Samaja dharma was different. And what is now the Samaja dharma need not be necessarily should be there even after 100 years. Samaja dharma is always changing. Vyakti dharma and Sanatana dharma, they are Shashvata dharma. They won't change. Vyakti dharma means it is your dharma. Samaja dharma is happen to change. What was there in Mahabharata Kala dharma that may not apply here. So many things. For example, I will give you, in our India, driving is on the left side. If you go to America, it is on the right side. That dharma is changed there. That is Samaja dharma. When we go to America, we have to follow the right lane only. If you come to the left lane, immediately accident will happen. Is it not? So these are the ways of Samaja dharma which keeps changing. That Samaja dharma Arjuna is talking here. That is Kula Dharma Sanatanaha. Kula Dharma, that Samaja will be wiped out. When Samaja will be wiped out, then who is going to take care of this Samaja? When all the elders are going to get wiped out, then ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಂಡು ಪೋಖ್ರಿಗಳದೇ ಸಮಾಜ ಆಗತ್ತವಾಗ ಅಂತ. ಪೋಖ್ರಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಗವಂತ ಸಮಾಜನ ನಡೆಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Then what happens? The whole social system is going to collapse. For one yuddha, for the sake of just Rajya, Kimno Rajyena Govinda, Kimbo Gairi Jivitenama, he told already. And when he says this, Katham Nadneyam Asmavihi, he looks at Krishna. But Krishna does not even give any response. Neither through eyes or face. He is undisturbed or perturbed like. So Arjuna gets confused here. What I am trying to convince Krishna is not at all reciprocating. Then he thinks that, I should convince in more stronger way. That is why the next 3 shlokas, that is today's shloka, tomorrow's shloka and day after tomorrow's shlokas are all convincingly he is trying to tell the result of this yuddha. What is going to happen? Kula dharma, sanatanaha. What we have been following, that dharma, samaja dharma, it is going to get completely vanished. When that dharma is going to get vanished, what happens? Dharme naste kulam kritsnam adharmaha abhibhavatyuta. Adharmaha abhibhavati. Everywhere adharma is going to happen. Everywhere, every person will try to do adharma only for his own living purpose. Nobody follows any dharma there. Adharma only will prevail. The last letter Avyaya is there now, Uta. Adharmo abhibhavatyuta. That Uta means he is telling it is nirvivada and it is nischaya. Nischyatvena and nirvivadatvena, what I am telling is accepted by everyone and you should also accept it. You also should accept it. This is how Arjuna's way of convincing, trying to convince what he thinks is only right. That is being done here. Dharme nashte kulam krutsnam adharmaha abhibhavati. Everywhere adharma is going to happen. This is the result of yuddha. Kula dharma is going to go away. When Kula dharma is going to get destroyed, then kulam krutsnam adharmaha. Everywhere. The younger generation, they will resort to only adharma. Then who is going to take care of this society then? We will become the culprits for destroying the present Kula. Do we want this type of infamousness? Do we want the coming society to remember us like this? No, it is very convincing, no? Everybody says, yes, what Arjuna is telling is perfectly right. How Krishna is going to disprove it later? Let us see another two slokas, what Arjuna's way of convincing. Adharmo bhavatyuta, adharma bhavat krishna pradishyanti kulastriyaha, stri shudushta suvashneya jayate varna sankaraha, sankaro narakayaiva kulagnanam kulasya cha patanti pitaro hyesham lupta pindodaka kriyaha. These are the three beautiful slokas, the perfect way of making Krishna to get convinced. That we are going to see next few slokas in the coming days. Till then, Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा